Hi, today I'm front of you Motorola Moto G23 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's first open Muviz Edge application and here just select one from these available tabs. Then just tap to apply. If you want to change the backgrounds of this tab, just swipe to the up or to the down, click to apply. If you want to hide music controls after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, you should just slide to the left or to the right side this white dot on this panel. To show notifications and date, you should just click on the switcher to turn it on or turn it off. And to show battery status always while they was charging or never, you should just also select one from these available options. So let's click to X icon, switch AoD to the settings, tap to always on display, and here we can change the settings to show it on the lock screen always while the device charging. On music, we can use these two options separately. To change screen timeout for 1 minute to never, we should just slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. To change the brightness level, to increase or decrease it, we should also use this panel. To close it with a double or single tap, just switch this setting here. If you want to close it with the fingerprint, if you use fingerprint unlock method, you should tap on the switcher to activate it. Also on screen off. To set the shadow, tap also on the switcher. We can here now set the shadow, the start and the end time, and we can also disable this option during the calls. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.